want to talk about this men's toiletry kit that Emoji sent me to do a video on. I travel a little bit for work, not a lot, but between work and just recreational travel, I do travel quite a bit, and it's always tough to find something to keep all of your stuff organized. You've got to bring your razor, you've got to bring your toothbrush, toothpaste, all the stuff, and you want to make sure you keep it in one place. This is going to be fantastic. What do you get out of the box? A nice little thank you card, which is amazing, and right here is the car, is the case you see. Very impressive looking. Got a couple pockets already on the back right here. You'll undo that and you'll take a look right there. One on the front, opening up right here, and this folds out. So you can take that ring and you can hang it up, and this whole thing will be open for access to whatever you need. You can see right here, there are tons of pockets available where you can stow and tuck away your gear. And the presentation is great. Very solid build quality, and it just looks luxurious. You see right there, you even got a little mirror. So who's this going to be good for? Pretty much anyone who does any traveling at all. I think is going to be a great Father's Day gift, obviously a great birthday gift, Christmas, whatever the case. But if you have someone in your life that does a little bit of traveling and needs to keep the stuff organized, I think this is a great way to go. If you'd like to pick up one for yourself or a loved one, click on the link in the description below.